Hello, I'm Eldrick John A. Aguado, and this is Week 3. So now we're gonna open an existing file and create and view sub-VI. Double-click the main VI and then Control T to show the front panel and block diagram at the same time. And here we can see that the block diagram and the front panel is shown. Let's click Run and then type temperature and then click OK. We can see that the waveform chart is forming, and now we can stop this. So now we're gonna open the folder in which we save the temperature. You can see here the temperatures that were saved from 51.908 degrees Celsius to 55.137 degrees Celsius. Now here in the block diagram, let's click the icon, right click, and then click Help. You can see here the different functions that are inside the icon, from prompt, file path, operations, etc. So for the part 2, we're gonna create a new folder and named it temperature sensor. We're gonna create a new project. Click blank project and then finish. On the My Computer, right click, new, and then NIDAQMX task. Create new appeared, click acquire signal, analog input, temperature, and then thermocouple. Like AI1, next. Name the task as thermocouple and then click finish. Let's configure the thermocouple setup. Let's set up the max to 30 and then 20, and then let's change the CJC value into 27. Here on the top pane, let's change the display type into chart. And let's run. You can see that there's a graph that shows, and when we click stop, the graph stops. Create a blank VI. You can show the front panel and block diagram by pressing Ctrl T. Save this and name it acquire and analyze.vi. Let's put this on the temperature sensor. Right click on the block diagram, measurement IO, and then let's drag the NIDQ max. The start, let's right click on the create constant and let's choose the thermocouple. Okay, so let's choose the thermocouple. Let's move this over here. Click again, measurement, NIDQMX, and then read. Let's double check the settings, analog, single channel, single sample, and DBL. So now let's right click again, measurements, NIDQMX, and then let's right click, measurement, NIDQMX, and then clear. So let's right click, dialog user interface, and then let's put this error. Let's right click in the data output, And let's create an indicator. Let's change this to current temperature. Let's do the wiring. We're done wiring. Let's run the program. It will show a single temperature. It for week 3. Thank you.